Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. And guys, it's been a long time that I didn't make or posted some video because I'm too busy. So guys, today gagawa tayo ng super easy and quick recipe. So come on, let's start. So for the first, we will mix our corn, and it's bio corn, guys, and we have here also our natural tuna. It's without oil, it's just with water. So with mayonnaise and capers, but I don't put so much capers here because it's just for the taste for me. I don't like so much capers. So it's up to you guys if you want to put more. And you can add some also tomato on this because for me, I don't add tomatoes because I will use the tomatoes in my salad. So we have to add some salt and pepper. So this recipe, guys, is very easy and quick to do. Pag ganito kasi, pag galing ako ng work at yung pagod na talaga ako, ayoko nang kung may makikita akong ingredients na it's only good for 20 minutes, I'm doing it. So like that, hindi na masyadong maraming gawain, di ba? So for now, we are going to cut our bread into half. So dalawa lang to, guys, and this recipe is good for 2 persons. So hindi tayo tataba nito, guys, kasi konti lang. So it's for the evening, so normally I don't eat so much in the evening. So this okay, lagay na natin siya. So yung mini-mix at so now ilagay na natin, guys, ang ating mixed salad, tuna and corn salad. So after this, guys, we just put evenly. So after that, we are going to put our grated cheese. So madalian lang talaga to siya, guys. Lagay lang natin siya sa oven for 6 to 8 minutes. Tansyahin nyo na lang, guys, na magiging melt yung cheese natin. Sa mga mommies natin dyan, try nyo to ang recipe na to kasi ako kasi, guys, pag sobrang pagod na ako sa work, inahanap ko na talaga yung recipe na napakadaling gawin, tsaka yung walang hassle na, guys. It's, as you can see, this is just takes only 20 minutes. So it's easy and quick to do, and wala, makakakain ka na agad. So naka-on na yung oven natin, guys, to 200 degrees. Antay niya lang natin na mag-beep para ilagay na natin siya. Okay? So lagay natin siya, guys, for 6 minutes to 8 hanggat ma-melt lang yung butter, lang yung cheese. And so for the meantime, gagawin na rin natin ang ating salad. So ang kailangan nating sauce, gagawin nating sauce ay ang vinaigrette salad. So what we have here is pepper and mustard, red wine, salt, and our olive oil. So mix na natin siya, guys. Mix na natin yung salad natin, tomato and onions. So madalian lang to, guys. Madalian? Ba't lagi akong nagsasabi ng madalian? Diyos ko, dahay. So add natin ng mustard na 2 teaspoon of mustard. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. What we have here, olive oil, is especially for the salad, guys. I have pain in my throat, goodness. Sorry. And we have to put 2 tablespoons of wine vinegar, and we have to put also the salt and pepper according to your taste. So i-preserve mo natin siya. Ilagay mo natin siya sa ref. And there it is, ready to eat na. So guys, arrange na lang natin siya. So sakit talaga ng tutunlan ako ba. It's very cold here. Oh my goodness. So ito na, guys, ready na siya. And I only ate this for our dinner, and I have enough. So for sure, for you too, you will have enough. Minsan kasi nahanap ko yung rice, kaso lang kailangan ko rin magtigil sa rice kasi lumalaki na ang tiyan ko. So here is it, guys. It's ready. You see, looks so yummy. So, kain na! So, guys, I will end off this video and thank you for watching. See you again next time. It's me again, your Pinay chef in Belgium. Bye-bye for now. So, have a nice evening, everyone. Stay safe and stay cool. Bye-bye!